The next section is the lesson plans. Page 1. Page 2 includes, the next few pages includes all the vocabulary from your flashcards. Sometimes parents like to see what you're going to be doing for the year, or you might want to just use this list to make a word wall. Then page 4, remember the conversational phrases. Now you're going to be speaking to them in Spanish as much as possible, but these are those accessibles that you want to keep repeating, the basic conversational phrases, so that you can integrate them into your games. Remember, like the bingo and the ay caramba, and all, the flashcard game, remember that? Remember version 5, the critical thinking skills? Okay, so those are the conversational phrases that you can try to keep bringing in so that there's repetition. Then lesson plan page 7. Is everybody there? Okay, this is the overview planner. You can make a copy of this if you like. This is your overview for the year. It's broken up into the thematic units. You can see the first one is animales, then la comida, la casa, and so forth. There's a little checklist there for notes if you want to make a copy. And then it tells you projects, games, and ongoing. Projects are activities that take about 30 minutes to do. And games are very short activities that take anywhere between 5 minutes and 10 minutes. So in a 45-minute class, I would always do one project and a series of games. And you're going to see in the lesson plan that follows, it tells you how that's laid out. So after you become familiar with the Sube activities, you'll be able to pick and choose from these, okay? And then the third category is ongoing. Ongoing are those primary themes that I mentioned in the beginning: shapes and colors, a number, calendar, reading books, the music, the time, etc. So those are going to be introduced throughout the themes, and they're meant to be repeated. Since you are teaching 45 minutes a day, those are going to be really important. A lot of our teachers only teach 1 hour a week, and this was designed for them. So what we've done later on, we adapted it for teachers like yourselves that are teaching every day. So you're going to see how the manual is structured for you, which is that you're going to alternate and bring in these ongoing and enhancement activities and alternate them. But basically, ongoing means that you want to keep those going throughout all your units. They're not theme specific. Okay, let's go to lesson plan page 11. This is your monthly overview, but in reality, we're just calling it now the unit overview because we've noticed that teachers take different amount of time to get through a unit. So you could take a month, you could take 2 months, you could take 3 months. Some preschool teachers take a lot longer. So it really depends on you. So what we have in the overview are 4 lessons. Each one of these are 45-minute to 1 hour lesson modules. Then you'll see on the bottom it says ongoing. Those are those ongoing activities. These are meant to be samples. You're going to do these 4, and then that's only 4. That's only 4 out of your 20 days, right? So you're then going to do variations, and I'll show you how you do that. Let's go to the next page. Lesson plan page 12. Los Animales take-home sheet. This was requested of me about 4 years ago, and teachers wanted to have a letter to the parents that told them what they were working on for every unit. So I added this, and that's basically what it says. Here's what, dear parents, here's what we're working on this month. And these are the vocabulary words and sentences, and it's basically the vocabulary words from the flashcards, the conversational phrases, and a little list of activities. So then in the beginning it has a few suggestions for the parents, how they can support you at home, okay? And how they can support your work at home that you're doing in the classroom.